Hi everybody, I'm Kalisa Marie Martin and I'm a classically trained chef and I'm on a lifelong wellness journey. I'm always looking for new ways to put my wellness first. Remembering to carve out small moments of wellness throughout my day has been made so much easier thanks to Alexa. I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks I like to use that help me fare well both mentally and physically throughout my day. And I'm going to be showing you some surprising ways that you can use your Amazon Alexa built-in devices to make your everyday life easier and more enriched. Right now, I'm going to step away from work and make myself a nice afternoon cup of matcha. Now that I have my matcha, I'm gonna head outside and take a sip before starting my breathing meditation. Alexa, turn off the lights. Before asking Alexa to begin my breathing meditation, I like to pop in my earbuds. Once prompted, Alexa will play meditative sounds to help me find the rhythm of my breath. When I hear a tone of a higher pitch, that's my cue to slowly inhale. I hold my breath until I hear a sound of a deeper tone, and that's when I know I can exhale. I repeat this breath cycle until I'm done, and then I tell Alexa to gently stop. Take a moment to check in with yourself and find a comfortable position. Then begin to notice your surroundings. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Alexa, start breathing exercise. Slowly move your attention to your body, to your belly. Feel your breath as it goes in and out. Feel your chest rise and fall. Try and relax the muscles in your face. And when you're ready, bring your awareness and your intention to your breath. Spread that awareness to your whole body. As you take your last inhale and exhale, thank yourself for showing up and taking the time to ground yourself during the day. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Alexa, stop. Thanks so much for breathing with me. It's just about lunchtime, so I'm going to head into the kitchen and prep a meal that I can eat throughout the week. I love making meals that can be prepped in advance. Today, I'm going to make shawarma spiced cauliflower bowls. They're really easy to make and they're packed full of flavor. And to get started, I just put some quinoa on to cook. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes. While that's cooking, let's start with our spice blend. Ours includes paprika, cumin, turmeric, some cracked red pepper, black pepper as well, allspice, and then of course some salt. Let's give it a good stir. And then we're going to add some olive oil to turn it into a paste. It smells so good already. I love this combination. And our spice paste is ready to go. For our chickpeas, we want them to be really crunchy, so make sure you dry them thoroughly before you add your spice paste. And then let's put the rest over the cauliflower. Now give everything a good stir. Same thing for the chickpeas. Now let's get them onto our sheet trays. First goes the cauliflower, chickpeas, and then these are going to roast off in the oven at 425 degrees for about 25 minutes. Now it's time to assemble. Starting with our quinoa as the base, now we have our shawarma spiced cauliflower and our chickpeas. And these chickpeas are so nice and crunchy. We have some cucumbers, really get them in there, and some tomatoes. This will add some juiciness. Last but not least, we have some pickled red onions. And that's it, a simple, delicious meal that keeps on giving. This will all keep in the fridge for several days, so pack up multiple servings and you have lunch throughout the week. Just realized I'm out of quinoa, so while I'm thinking of it, Alexa, add quinoa to my shopping list. So ready for this. So good. Thank you so much for taking the time to breathe with me and prep a meal that will last the whole week. Remember to take time during your day to relax and let your Amazon Alexa built-in devices help you be the best you.